Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to factory reset your JBL Live wireless headphones. All JBL Live wireless headphones offer long battery life, Alexa and Google Assistant integration, and technology that lets you amplify the sound from your surrounding environment while you're listening to audio on your wireless headphones. If you run into issues with your JBL wireless headphones, your first troubleshooting step should be to restore your JBL Live wireless headphones to the default factory settings to see if that resolves your issue. Now let's walk through the steps to reset your JBL Live wireless headphones to the default factory settings. Step 1. Push up on the power button located on the right ear cup of your JBL Live wireless headphones. The Bluetooth headphones will make the following sound when they are powered on. Step 2. Locate the volume up and volume down buttons located beneath the power button on the right ear cup. Hold down the volume up and volume down buttons at the same time for roughly 5 seconds until you hear the device make the following sound indicating it is powering down. Step 3. Release the volume buttons. The device makes the following powering on sound again, which is followed by a pinging sound. The pinging sound indicates your JBL Live wireless Bluetooth headphones have successfully been restored to the default factory settings and are now in pairing mode. Let me know what you think of your JBL Live wireless headphones below in the comments. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.